Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Carpentry with Chris. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Looks like my next project right here. A toolbox, 12 inches by 6 inches. And I did like a 3D kind of drawing. Thing looks beautiful. So, just in case, this is a water meter. That's handheld, we take it, manual water meter, we take and we carry, somewhat heavy. So, you know, we gotta connect that to the fire hydrant. The garden hose is connected into one entrance. So, just make sure one is closed. This is closed. You can see that it's closed right there. Then if you go this way, it's open, okay? And it gives you the option right here, open. Make sure the open's on top, it closes on bottom, so the water releases. And then for the fire hydrant, after you get the key, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey for this one, so this is all open. Now I'm just gonna tighten it. Right there. Now I'm just gonna leak it out, bleed the water out, and I'm gonna close it. Both are now closed. And that's it. PO being signed by a bunch of nerds.
Bruh.
In the hospital. First stop off. Got a photo. So that trash, gonna dump it in here. And that's it. Alright guys, so this is what we worked on last week. We did like kind of like a walking deck with cribbing. Looks like a beach boardwalk. Guys, so once there's an empty can, my foreman told me a story that he usually leaves a hole at the bottom just because a lot of pressure comes out. Say like a car runs it over, or a truck, or someone doesn't throw it away properly. Safety hazard. Good morning to everyone. We had 6 levels, and this is a beautiful view of San Francisco. I'm using this tie wire, so what I did here was, if you just put it straight, it's going to point all the way outward, so you have to bend the tie wire so it comes back to you. Right now I'm just kind of getting an estimate so that I can cut it with the pliers that I bought at the flea market in Oakland, which by the way have been amazing, $15. Then I'm going to put this in here. This is just in case for precautionary reasons. Hold it. Level 5. Go on the elevator shaft with my handrail. Go up and let's see how that is. I'm gonna ask for one right now. You press right here. If I can have elevator for number 4, please. Level 4. They have a pulse. No pulse. Alright, confirmed. And 3, 2, 1. Fat Max, 25 feet. These are the good ones. Anything else I don't like. We got new vests on, so we got a bunch of pockets. 16. So I pulled the end of this a little bit more. Get it extra tight. Everything looks good. Snap it twice. pants in the world. Carhartt pants. That's all I wear. Carhartt. You guys are watching this video. Let's get a sponsorship. That's all I wear.
Floyd, champion, with all respect, they say all dogs, they don't learn a new tricks, but you know, hunter dogs, they're always gonna be ending catching the rabbit, and you're gonna be ending catching the rabbit. You are the winner, you're the champion.
I don't know what you said, but thank you. I know you said I'm the winner and I'm the champion. I like that. The rabbit, whatever you said, I like that.
And that's all for this week. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Hasta luego. Till next time.